Alright. Yeah, I see it. I see it. Alright, so I can exit out this way too, right?
That way? That one's for Lake Mead, that one's for Owens. That one's a busier street.
Don't say the name of your street store while we over here though. Cause I want motherfuckers trying to find out where your truck at. Alright, Sam. I think it's your turn. You ready?
One more, keep going.
No, I was gonna let you drive.
Yeah?
You ready?
Alright.
Don't scare me, man. Hell, why it's not recording? I think that shit got unplugged. The fuck?
You unplugged?
I think so. Yeah, it's recording again now. Slow down there, say. Yeah, it's running good. Nothing. It's running good. Now the fucking O2 sensor not working though. What the hell? Oh yes, it is.
Gotta slow down right here. Right here, there's a lot of cops.
Alright, that's cool. Oh Lord, we headed to the cemetery. I mean, we're headed to the freeway. I did not mean it's a cemetery right there. I didn't mean to say cemetery. I just hope we ain't headed that way after saying what Sam driving. Okay. Everything looking good though, man. Yeah, I think that mess is tripping. I might have to hit the gas.
With the brake on?
Shit, it don't matter. Yeah, the passenger O2 sensor, I gotta switch that one.
Oh, is there traffic?
Huh?
Is there traffic?
It looked like it, yeah. Oh shit. Yeah, y'all know what time it is. Another flyby with the new tune on it. Damn! All right, little daddy. All right, little daddy. Oh, I can hear it. That little 5.3 strong. Yeah, she working. How was it?
Yeah, it was good.
Right.
Like the transmission going out.
Nah, remember, this shit got low miles on it. I think the motor only had like 87. The transmission had, where did I get this one from?
Silverado.
But what year?
I bought like 6.
Oh no, this one. No, this one had the transmission had low miles too. I think it was like 130. It was from that dude, Dave. All right, start it. It's the starter. Make another starter, man. Alright, cool. Alright, man, that's it. It's done.
Does that have to repeat itself?
Relearn yourself? Only a few seconds. Hey, I want you to be careful, alright, young man? And we signing out.